friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing some characters from Mario Brothers. Boy, that's an old video game. That was around when I was your age, long time ago. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna draw Mario. He's so cute. I think I still have the little game show song in my head. All right, so we're gonna start with Mario's nose. He's got a big old nose. There we go, just a big old circle. Then we're gonna draw a circle behind that circle and another circle behind that circle, kind of ovals really. And we're gonna draw another oval in the middle with a circle in there. Another oval in there with a circle. And we're gonna leave some light in there. There we go. Then we're gonna draw some arched lines. Arched lines. And then we're gonna draw his mustachio. It's gonna come up, come down, wiggle around, and back up. And then he's got a little smiley under there. Oh, Mario. Okay, then we're gonna start up here by his mustachio and we're gonna come down like so, and then we're gonna come back up and around. Then we're gonna draw a little line up, and then we've got his hat that just comes across. And then his hat kind of has a double thick line, like that. And then on top of that, he's got a circle emblem on his hat. And we're gonna make an M. Big M, little M for Mario. Then we're gonna take and we're gonna draw his ear. Letter C, letter C. And then, oh, you know what though? He's got some hair here. Oopsie. And then we're gonna draw his big hat, and it's just gonna come around the M, like so, and come around like that. There we go. Then we've got his suspenders. We're gonna start with a rectangle under his chin. Circle, circle. I'm gonna come back up for his overalls. And then it's gonna come down, round, round. Down, round, round. And we're gonna come out, down, up. Make it like a V. And we've got his little Mario boots. A big circle on the end. Go. And then we've got his Mario arms. So they're gonna come out right here. Out right here. I'm gonna put his glove on. We're gonna have a thumb. And then we're gonna have finger, 2 fingers. He's a 4-fingered guy. All right, same thing here. We're gonna come out, down, here, glove, thumb, 1, 2, and a 3. And there we have it, Mario. Doesn't it go do, 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 or something like that? I don't know. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.